Hi there, this is just a quick video to help out any MATLAB users. So I've been using MATLAB for a long time and I always save my figures using this save as command. However, this is limited to the resolution of your screen. So if my screen will just draw some figure, and if I save it at this size, it will be the pixels on my screen. Obviously, if you have a 4K monitor, it will look nice. I don't. And if I make it bigger, it will be whatever resolution that is. However, there is a better way. If you use the print command, you can actually specify the dots per inch that you want. So this R is resolution. So we're looking at the top of a figure. Using the save as, this is what you get. It's quite pixelated. Using the 300 dpi, you can see it's quite a bit nicer. And this is 600 dpi, so it's quite a lot smoother. Depending on what you're doing, you might want to zoom in on one of the plots, so just make that one high resolution, and then you can zoom in without having some kind of horrible pixelated mess. I hope that's been helpful, and good luck with your next MATLAB project.